Hello friends, I am Amulya. Welcome back with a new video. This video we shall discuss about the dynamic table. This is the Power BI window. I have not imported any data till now, but I want to create a dynamic table using DAX function. Create the using DAX function. Then we go to get data. Then blank query. This is the query editor option. Go to advanced editor. This is the query one. Remove this code and type the DAX function. List dot date. This is the function. Date function. List dot date has date. We want to create the date from 1st January 2023 2023, 1, 1. I want to get the date from 1st January 2023. Now, I want to create the date for 5 years. So, 5 years into 5 into 365, 1825 has duration 1, 0, 0, 0. This is the code for creating a dynamic table. I have write this code. It is the absolutely right because showing this no syntax error have been detected. That means my code is absolutely right. Then done this option. This is the column, date column, creating for the 5 years date. I want to convert this table, then go to table data. No need to change here, then click OK. This is the table, column 1. I have changed this column 1 to date, rename. This is the query 1. I have changed this query 1 to date table. Now, I am going to create another 5 column like day, week, month, quarter and year. But I don't write the DAX function creating this column. Simply, I have duplicated the date column and it converted to day. Right click the date column, click the duplicate. It is the duplicate of date column. Then I have converted it to day column. Right click the duplicate column, transform, go to day and click name of the day. This is the day column. I have renamed the date column to day. Rename day. Again I have duplicate the date column. I have converted it to name of the month. This is the month column and so on. Now I have closed the editor option, close and apply. This is the table. If I want to create another column, then right click this column, go to edit query, duplicate this column and create as your requirement, then close and apply. Thank you for watching my video. If my video is really helpful to you, please like and share my video with your friends and family members and subscribe my channel. Thank you once again.